In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your video background using the CapCut apps. Welcome to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. You are the real MVP. Now, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome to this channel. On this channel, I share tips on how you can have an additional income source. So I make research about it on different opportunities, and once I confirm that they are real, I come to this channel to come and talk about them. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you drop your comment and like this video, share this video so that others will see this video. So the first thing you need to do is go to your CapCut app. So open your CapCut and then click on the new project. So you are going to import that video that you want to remove the background. So you look for that video that you want to remove the background. So let me make use of this one. Then you add. So what you need to do is you click on that video, you click on it, then you scroll, then you click on the cut art, then click on remove background. So you can see that it's removing the background already, so it's counting. So you wait until it counts to 100. And you can only do this with the Pro app. So if you don't have the Pro app, if you need the CapCut Pro app, just comment Pro on the comment section. I'm going to send you the Pro version of the CapCut app. So it has come to 100. So the next thing you need to do is you click on this good sign. So the next thing you need to do is you go back. So you click on this arrow to go back. Then you screw your timeline to, then you go to canvas. So you can use different you can use color, you can use background, that is, you can import a background that you already have, or you can blur the background. So let me show you the color. If you click on color, you can select any color of your choice for the background. So you can choose any color that you want to use for the background. But if you don't want to use color, let's go back. Let's say you don't want to use any color, you can use a background that you already have on your phone. So you click on background. So you just hold on a little, it will take you to where you can add the background from your gallery. So you click on this plus sign, the one that have plus, to add the background from your gallery. So you can go to your gallery and select any background. So let me make use of this background. Click on it so you can see the background now. Then you click on the good sign. So this is how to add if I play the video now, you can see. So this is how to add a background to your video. So if you got value for this video, make sure you like and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you also subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.